In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add priority tags in Notion. Priority tags are a simple way to see what needs your attention first, so you can spend less time deciding and more time doing. Start by opening the database where you manage your tasks or entries. This could be a table, board, list, or any database view. We'll add one more property to this database to hold the priority information. Click to add a new property, then choose either Select or Multi-Select. Here's the difference. Select lets you choose a single value, which is perfect for priority because a task typically has one clear urgency level. Multi-Select allows multiple values, which can be useful in rare cases, but most teams prefer Select to avoid mixed signals. Name this property Priority so it's consistent and easy to find later. Clear naming helps when you have several properties in a busy database. Next, create the actual tags. Add high, medium, and low. Choose colors that visually reinforce urgency. Red or orange for high, yellow for medium, and green or blue for low. If you want these to sort in the right order, consider adding a small prefix like 1 high, 2 medium, 3 low. That way, alphabetical sorting will naturally stack them from most to least urgent. You can always rename tags later if you change your mind. Now assign a priority to each task or entry. Click into the priority cell for a row and pick the correct tag. If you're catching up on a big list, it helps to start with overdue or time-sensitive items, so your view becomes more useful immediately. Be consistent with your criteria. For example, high could mean must be done today, medium this week, and low when time allows. Consistency makes the tags meaningful across your whole workspace. With tags in place, use filters or sorting to organize by priority level. To focus only on what's urgent, add a filter where priority is high. This gives you a clean, distraction-free list. To keep your whole list visible, but still ordered, add a sort on the priority property. If you use the numbered prefixes, high will appear above medium, and medium above low. You can save this filtered or sorted configuration as a view so you can switch to it anytime without setting it up again. That's it. Open your database, add a priority property, create clear tags, assign them consistently, and use filters or sorting to keep your day focused. Keep this habit, and your Notion workspace will quickly show you what matters most.